Hello and welcome to this short video in which we show you how to carry out the document-based processes of accounting in SAP Business One while working from home. We will show how from the comfort of your home office you can make incoming documents such as delivery notes and invoices available immediately in SAP Business One for further processing by employees in accounting without them having to leave the application. After installing cks.DMS, we have two new inboxes. A global inbox in which all documents can initially be stored, and a personal inbox which we always use when we want to pass documents on to a certain employee. Let's first take a look at how documents enter the process. There are three different ways to bring external documents into our SAP environment. We can scan delivery notes and invoices which arrive in paper form to a local directory, which are then collected automatically by the inbox. Documents that are already digital, such as PDF files, can be imported via a selection. And we can move email attachments straight to an inbox via the Outlook add-in. Next is the assignment to the relevant administrator. In the global inbox, this is done using a selection menu. We simply choose the employee from the list, and then they will find the documents in their personal inbox. They can continue processing it straight from there. They open the document, ideally move it to a second screen, and can then, for example, create a new SAP document straight from the inbox. In our example, this is an incoming invoice. At the same time, the invoice is archived behind the SAP document in a revision-proof way, and this can be found later with a mouse click. Documents can of course be moved from one personal inbox to another personal inbox. We can also make documents available for the SAP approval process. We receive an invoice, but this has to be approved by an authorized employee before it can be posted. We therefore create an SAP document in the usual way and archive the digital document behind it. When it is posted, the transaction is now passed to the employee defined in the SAP approval procedure. This person can now display the document in order to check and then approve it. At this stage, the electronic document is again archived in a revision-proof way. And that's it. That's how easy it is for incoming documents such as delivery notes and invoices to be exchanged and processed by employees within our SAP environment. If you have any questions or you'd like to discuss other application possibilities, speak to your SAP partner or get in touch with us directly.